Good morning, everyone. My name is Mysherri. I am your tax GPS, helping you to navigate your way through taxes. So today we're going to talk about healthcare penalties. Is there still a healthcare penalty for not being insured? So if you were not insured, we know that there was the Obamacare that was in effect. So President Obama pretty much passed a law that everyone had to have minimal healthcare insurance. So that happened between 2014. Wait, let me make sure I get the dates right. It was 2014, between 2014 and 2018. That is what had happened. You would receive a penalty basically if you hadn't had health insurance. So if you went to file your taxes and you didn't have a healthcare insurance, they would just pretty much have a penalty calculated. It didn't get calculated right off the bat. It started gradually, but by the time that we were into 2018 last year, they were charging $695 for adults who did not have healthcare insurance. So Trump came into office and there was the initiation of the Tax Cuts and Job Act of 2017. Pretty much what that said is, no, we're not about to do this healthcare penalty thing anymore. We're no longer required to have a minimum healthcare insurance. So we need to eliminate the penalty. What I want you guys to know about this is that, one, it is eliminated on the federal level. States still have the right to mandate penalties. So depending on what your state is, your state may still have penalties for that. The states who still have the penalties right now is DC, Massachusetts, and New Jersey. Those are the states that still have the penalty right now. What I want you guys to really get from this is that if, say, you haven't filed your taxes from 2014 to 2018, and then you decide to go back and file your taxes next year in the year 2019, that does not mean that you're exempt from healthcare penalties. The law and the penalties still apply for whatever year it was in effect. So if you decide you haven't filed your taxes in 2000, so if you file your taxes in 2020 for 2015, 2016, or 2017, those times for your taxes, you will still receive a penalty for not having insurance. And the penalty goes for each individual in your home, so every person that was on your tax return. This also includes children, unless there was some type of an exemption that you receive, income exemption, things like that. So exemptions do apply, but I definitely want you guys to know that just because we are, excited about no longer having healthcare penalties, you still are not out the clear if you didn't have healthcare during that time. They still are issuing the penalties. So I want to go ahead and recap on what I was talking about with the healthcare penalties. One, Obama initiated you had to have minimum healthcare insurance. It was called Obamacare between the dates of 2014 to 2018. Then Trump's come and kind of reversed it, and he issued a Tax Cut and Jobs Act in 2017, and that eliminated the penalty from 2019 on. So next year when we file in our taxes for 2019, the penalty no longer exists. If you have not filed your taxes and you did not have health insurance between 2014 and 2018, you will still receive a penalty unless you had some type of circumstances that did not require you to have healthcare insurance, as far as an exemption letter or your income. But you guys should it would apply for different people. Even though healthcare penalties have been eliminated on the federal level, I want you guys to know that your state still has the right to charge a healthcare penalty. Right now, the states who have charged a healthcare penalty is DC, Massachusetts, and New Jersey. For now, that is it. If you guys have any questions, I am looking for people who have any questions about taxes, bookkeeping, Truckers, if you guys are ready to go on a live with me, I just want to see your day-to-day activity. Come and hang out with me on Wednesday just to talk and hang out and get some tax tips and education. That will be great. Go ahead and DM me if you guys have any questions pertaining to taxes and bookkeeping. You can also DM me, or you can leave a message right there below. If you say, hey, my question is a little deep, I also offer 15-minute consultations for individuals just to get a full picture of your business. Sometimes, a quick question may not be what we need. We may need that on the phone personal conversation advice. Go ahead and hit me up and give me a call. I also have a YouTube channel where you can get this information, tax tips, and everything that you may need. I believe that is it. If you guys have any questions, definitely ask me questions. I definitely love to help out. But until next time, my name is Mysherri Rhodes. I am your tax GPS, helping you to navigate through taxes. Bye, guys.